Hey everyone, today I just wanted to make a little video on detailing my leather Ferrari seats. So they are out of the car because I'm doing a manual conversion. You should definitely check that out and follow along. But this is an after. This one I just cleaned and conditioned. And this one is a before. So it's a lot duller looking than over here. So let me just show you what I did. I don't have a real particular brand loyalty to leather cleaners, but I'm using the Lexol products today. I'll put some links in the description, and just a microfiber cloth. And to start out, all I'm doing is I'm going to apply some of the cleaner to the microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to give it a good scrub. So you'll see it lather up a little bit. Going to apply plenty of this as I go around and get every corner and edge, including all of the stitching. So you really do want to give it a good scrub, because that's what's going to help release some of the dirt. You don't have to go crazy and use a ton of it. Just make sure you've got enough. So you can break it up into sections if you want, or just go ahead and do the whole seat. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to knock out the whole seat. And don't forget to get the back. All right, just take a look. If there are any spots that seem really dirty still, go ahead and go back and touch them up again. Let's pay extra attention to the bolsters, places that I know your body makes contact naturally. All right, so on that rag I've used this one on 2 seats. You should see some dirt on there that you're getting off. And I'm gonna switch over to a new clean microfiber cloth. I just have it a little bit damp, got it wet, squeezed out all the water that I could. And now I'm gonna scrub again, so all of that dirt that the last step released, this should capture more of it. All right, so just after a little bit, you can see that you're already getting dirt out of here. That's what you want. This is essentially getting the dirt and any residual cleaning product out of the leather. So just go ahead and rotate the cloth every now and then as you go to get a clean section of it. All right, so you should have a fairly dirty cloth now. You can clean this out, just rinse this, and you'll see all this dirt come out. So as I wring that out, yeah, look at all that dirt down there. All right, next step is you just have a new clean microfiber cloth that is completely dry, and we're just gonna dry it. All right, already looking a lot better. After it is completely dry, we are gonna proceed to step 2 of the Lexol product. This is the conditioner. So we start with another new, clean, dry microfiber cloth, and we're just gonna spray a bunch of this conditioner on here. And again, same procedure as the first step. Essentially, you're going to massage this into the leather, and you will see the leather start soaking this stuff up. So the drier your leather, the faster and more of this it's going to soak up. So you just want to apply it very liberally and put a lot of this on here so it can soak up as much as it needs. Make sure you get it in, worked into all the little cracks and crevices. All right, so as I've been working it in, you can see it's been drying in some areas. So I'm just gonna go over any place that is already dry another time. Just get a little more on there. So again, I'm not soaking it or saturating it or anything, just a nice thin layer on there. Now I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes and it's gonna soak in. All right, that was 2 minutes of time lapse. So now if there are any shiny or wet spots, you can just come by and use a dry part of the cloth or a new one and just wipe those areas down. So it should be all uniform. All right, there we go. All right, check these guys out. They are now both super clean and beautiful. After another couple more minutes, this will continue drying and soaking in all the way, and it will look more like this, a nice finished product. Very soft, supple Italian leather. Hopefully this helped. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed if you want to check this thing out. Yes, that is a manual you see in there. I got a whole video series on doing the conversion, so check it out. See you guys on the next one.